Imagine making over $1 million on YouTube without ever showing your face on camera. With YouTube automation and faceless channels, it's possible. A faceless YouTube channel allows you to create videos without appearing on camera using voiceovers, animations, and stock footage. The first key is niche selection. Focus on evergreen topics: finance, health, self-improvement, and technology. Create videos without filming by using voiceovers, stock footage, and text-to-speech tools. This can enhance content quality. Diversify your income through AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content to maximize earnings. Implement automation tools like content planning tools, video editing software, and optimization strategies for efficiency. Consistency and optimization are crucial for ranking high in search results. Focus on titles, tags, and descriptions. Outsourcing tasks like editing and scriptwriting allows you to concentrate on scaling and optimizing your channel for greater profits. The secret to a successful faceless channel is automation. Create a system where videos are produced and uploaded without manual work. To copy my strategy, pick a niche, create faceless content, optimize for SEO, monetize smartly, and automate. Building a faceless YouTube channel can yield passive income without being on camera. Get started today.